How to add GIFS on TikTok comments. If you want to add GIFS on TikTok comments, I don't know how to do that. In today's video, I'm going to guide on how to do it. Please, first off, if you come across this channel, please to subscribe to the channel. Let's dive right into the video. First step you need to take, you need to go to your Play Store, search movie post for TikTok, and if yours is up to date, go ahead and update your. Second step you need to take, you need to go to your TikTok and know if it is now available on your channel. So the step on it. So you can go to TikTok and know if you to send GIFs. If you found this helpful to consider those video, please subscribe to the channel. Leave in the comment section if you find anything difficult on TikTok. I want to say to give you feedback. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.